Welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Anni. I am going to previous year question papers on December 2004. Following is the physical evidence suspect of footwear. Forensic scientist is exempted from appearing in court law under section 293 CRPC. Inquest mean inquiry from cause of death. The death sentence before being executed is required to be confirmed by High Court. For comparison of bullet, following microscope is used for identification of comparison microscope. The body parts imaging can be done by X-ray. The thin layer chromatography is the mobile phase is liquid. The thin layer chromatography, the mobile phase is liquid. DNA can be isolated from WBC white blood cell. Absorption elution technique is used to detect blood grouping. If a blood group of father and mother is O and blood group of offspring are O, blindness can be caused by the following methyl alcohol. 12-bore cartridge are fired from shotgun. All the detonator except RDX. It is true about human hair that medulla is fragmented, continuous, or absent. Dried seminal stains from clothing are present in 40% formalin. The race of the person can be determined by cephalic index. Fracture of a terminal phalanx of a little finger is grievous injury. Testimetry capacity means capacity to dispose of property. Following may affect handwriting except common cold. To lift footwear prints, the following is used: plaster of Paris, adsorption A and adsorption region A. Adsorption A in case of disputed paternity. Blood groups of HLA can be used for the exclusion of paternity. Region R, because appearance of blood group and HLA of offspring are determined by Mendelian law. Both A and R are true. Assertion A, the volatile compound can be analyzed by GLC. Region R, because volatile compound get precipitated with inner gas in the column. Both A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Assertion A, ethyl alcohol forms metabolite formaldehyde in the body because region R, because formaldehyde is a metabolic end product of ethyl alcohol in the body. Both A and R is true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Assertion A, DNA can be isolated from living cell of the body contain nucleus. Region R, because nucleus contain DNA. Both A and R are true. Assertion A, the range of fire can be determined by the spread of pellets. Region R, because shotgun cartridges are loaded with multiple pellets. Both A and R are true. Assertion A. Medullary index can be determined human hair from animal hair. Reason are because the scales are imbricated type. A is true and R is false. Assertion A. Presence of spermatozoa do not confirm that the fluid is semen. Reason are because spermatozoa can be present in the many body fluids. Both A and R are false. Assertion A. Fingerprints identify a person conclusively. Reason R. Because fingerprints can disputed in 1 in 10 lakh population. A is true and R is false. Assertion A. Premolar repels with temporary molar because there are no premolar in the temporary set of teeth. Both A and R is true. After 1 to 2 hours of death of muscle become rigid because of onset of rigor mortis. Both A and R is true. Match the instrument with the material and light. Electron microscope hair. Electrophoresis blood. GLC alcohol. Comparison microscope bullet. Match the name of the scientist with their specific subject. Elk Jeffrey, DNA profiling. Francis Galton, fingerprint pattern analysis. A. Curry, toxicology. D. Dodd, serology. Match the ammunition with the firearm. Cartridge with pellets, shotgun. Rim cartridge with bullets, .303 rifle. Rimless cartridge with bullet, auto pistol. 1.77 slugs, air gun. Match the antigen with the respective blood group. A. Antigen A, blood group A. B. B. A. A. AB. AB. No antigen O. 0. O or 0 because have no antigen. This is no blood group. Match the instrument test for the analysis of poison. Anesthetic reagent GLC, alkaloids, oxalate, tranquilizers HPLC, heavy metal AS. Match the permanent teeth with the age of eruption. First molar 6 year, third molar 18 year, canine 11 year, second molar 12 year. Match the exhibit with analytical division. Firearm, ballistic, hair, biology, disputed signature document, poison toxicology. Match the mark with the causative instrument. Sliding mark, screwdriver, a statistic mark, hammer, radical crack, bullet, tire mark, vehicle. Match the year of establishment with the respective Central Forensic Laboratory in India. 1978 CFSL Chandigarh, 1968 CFSL Delhi, 1957 CFSL Kolkata, 1970 CFSL Hyderabad. Match the offense with the section murder 302 IPC, fatal vehicle accident 304 IPC, rape 375 IPC, attempt to murder 307 IPC. The chronological order of incident of types of fingerprint is Antecedent type of fingerprint is loopholes composite arch. Arch composite holes loop. The chronological order of the incidence of types of fingerprint is loops, hole, composite arch. The sequence of examination of blood stain in chronological order is benzidine test, hemine crystal test, immunological test, and elution test. Chronological order is of post-mortem changes after death is loss reflexes, hypothesis, foul smell, and adiposity. Sequence of event in firing in chronological order: pulling of trigger, firing pin, hitting firing pin, projection of bullet, powder burning. Distance traveled by the firearm discharge in chronological order is charring, blackening, burning, or powder tattooing. In the analysis of poison, the sequence of events in chronological order is tissue homogenization, extraction, group test, and specific test. The incidence of blood group in Indian population is in the following sequence: O, A, B, A, B. The reliability of marks of identification in their chronological order is anthropometry, dental data, blood group, and dactylography. The sequence of examination produced for identifying bullets with the suspect firearm: the test bullet, identifying class characteristic, mark, identify individual characteristics, mark, match class and individual characteristics. A 35-year female was found burned in the kitchen. An empty can of kerosene with little quantity at bottom was found nearby. Matchbox of few sticks were found on the parapet. She had sustained 100% burn. Black soot was present in the body. A smell of kerosene was observed. Pugilistic attitude was found. Pugilistic attitude was found. Burns from superficial to deep from present on the body. A spot particle were present in trachea. Carboxyhemoglobin of 15% concentration was reported on analysis. No evidence of mechanical injury were observed on the body. The room was bolted from the inside. Considering the above finding, answer of the following: the cause of death was carbon monoxide poisoning. Thank you for listening. Like, share and subscribe.